God is saying to you today, my lovely child, people may not recognize you yet. Your boss does not give you credit, relatives discount you and think you don't have much to offer. You may be overlooked now, but the time is coming when you are going to be noticed. People are going to recognize your value, your gifts, your talents. I am going to cause you to stand out. You are going to go from being unnoticed to being in charge, from being not recognized to being the favorite. Type yes if you agree.